Okay, let's go. Okay. Isn't this like a poison place? I mean, don't touch the plants, though. This is a poison place, that's all I know. Oh, what is that? Watch out for the plants. Meow. I'm the poison cat. Meow. You got it. Now, I'm gonna fling some poison at you. Ah, dunk! I made this whole place poison. And I will kill you like Bowser told me to. What happened to everyone that used to live here? I killed them with my poison. Wow. Take this. Poison, die. Ah, that almost hit me. Poison, die. Ah. Ha 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 ha. You can't kill me. Ha ha ha. Oh. Ha 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 ha. You can't kill. Oh. Okay. Stop! Oh, yay! He fell in the poison. If I'm poison, how can you kill me with poison? He's got a point, Sonic. Oh, I will kill you. This is just stupid. Meow! Sling poison. Just have to dodge your poison and you're dead. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Okay, I promise. I'll be nice. Just don't throw me back in unpoisoned land. Okay, fine. You're lucky that you get to live. See ya. Meow. Let's go. This guy's worthless. Meow! Let's get out of this place.